नमस्कार। मैं बालाजी आप सबों का हार्दिक अभिनंदन आज के अनाउंसमेंट पे। नमस्कार everyone, this is Balaji. Welcome to you all for today's announcement of Cyber Vidyapeeth Foundation. Today we are going to do a test on object-oriented programming. It will start at 8 p.m. sharp. It's 40 minutes from now. So you're requested to be there on time this time. We are not going to keep it open for more than 2 hours time, and we'll expect all of you to go through the exams. And I'm sure this announcement has already been done, so you all are well prepared for it. And I'm very confident you all are going to make it big today. Don't let me down and don't let yourself down. And I'm sure that you all have gone through the content and the videos, and that will help you really cross one of the important barriers. If the result is not as per my expectation today, tomorrow there will be no class, and we'll expect all of you to go through all the content and all the videos once again. Day after tomorrow, we'll have the class for error handling. Today, you might find some question on error handling, which is related to, oops, just ignore them. A 10 question, it is common to everybody, and we'll ignore them in the marks as well. Don't try to answer those questions, and just finish your questions wherever you know, and you don't have to really work hard on that for the rest of the question which you have not been taught. It's important, to focus on the exam today, and I hope that you will score very well. What we are planning that we'll have one full test again, which will start from scratch of programming to Python, and that will be followed by an course. Day after tomorrow, we'll do a test training on error handling and exception handling in Python, which is a very important one. And after that, we'll take a day break, and then day after tomorrow, again, there will be a test which will complete the complete Python scripting. And by the time, I believe that you will go through all the content that I have shared with you. And you will not let us down, because going to the offensive Python requires significantly important skill of Python scripting. If you are not good at it and you are not good at networking, the video that has been shared to all of you, it will be very difficult to go to the class. You will be simply dropped out, and we are not going to look back and see who has passed or not passed, because it is not possible to stay even for a day. We need to finish this course on time. We are going 5 days, 6 days slower than that. But nevertheless, we'll cover it up, and I'm very confident, that all of you learn scripting very well. And we tried our best to cover as much as possible. Error handling and exception handling will teach you day after tomorrow. Today's exam is an important one. And tomorrow I'll be sharing a book, on error handling. Get ready for that. And we finish the error handling before coming to the error handling video class day after tomorrow. All the best. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.